Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to knit a twisted rib by knitting and purling through the back loop. Abbreviations of these being Ktbl and Ptbl. The twisted rib is a very practical stitch because it's reversible, meaning it's identical on both sides, and it also has a lot of stretch. So let's begin. First I'll show you how to do a twisted purl stitch. So with your yarn in front, instead of purling like so, you go through the back loop. Like so. Then you wrap your yarn around, pull it through, and there you have it. Now I'll show you how to do a knit through the back loop. The knit stitch can present itself in two ways, depending on if you're knitting back and forth like I am here, or if you're knitting in the round. If it just presents itself as a normal stitch, normally you would knit like this, but then it's difficult to get through the back loop. So what I do in these cases is I just go through the back loop here, slip it off, and then put it back the other way around. Now it is nicely twisted and I can knit through the back loop, and there you have it. Show you another purl twist. So yarn in front, you knit through the back loop, wrap your yarn, and there you have it. So sometimes, for instance, if you're knitting in the round, the knit stitch will already present itself like this, so you don't have to slip it off and on again. So you can just already knit through like so. There you are. Show you another purl through the back loop. There you are. And another twisted knit. There you have it. So that's how you knit a twisted rib with knitting and purling through the back loop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a nice like. You can always check out my other videos on my channel, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new knitting video. Bye.